Warning: the following video contains graphic content that may be disturbing to some viewers. Discretion is advised.
Lower your windows, all of them. What's up, my man? Hey, you got a valid driver's license, proof of insurance, all that good stuff? Hey, you blew that red light.
The light was yellow and turned red when I went under.
It was red when you blew it.
It was yellow.
Okay. Well, I saw it. It was red. So.
I saw it too.
All right. Well, you got a proof of insurance?
Yeah.
Just hang tight. You got you got anything crazy in the car?
Yeah.
What do you got?
A gun.
You got a gun? You do? All right. Where's that? It's on you? Okay. As long as you're cool. And...
I'm chill. Actually, I'm embarrassing. I ain't finna lie to you.
No, man. I appreciate your honesty.
Oh, I ain't got time to lie.
That's awesome. So you have concealed carry and all that good stuff? No, you don't. All right. You're not a convicted felon, right? Nothing.
I do everything. Whatever.
Okay.
I shoot for you.
All right. So what we're gonna do is, just for my safety, your safety, I'm gonna have you step out. All right. Fair enough. And we're just gonna remove the pistol from you, and then we're gonna run your license, make sure everything's good, and I'm gonna send you on your way.
Get out this way.
Yeah. Just hang tight. Just do me a favor. Lower that window. Hey, he's very compliant. He does have a pistol on him, so we're gonna take him out from that side, remove the pistol, and we'll go from there. All right.
Get out.
Yeah, you're good.
On my side.
I appreciate it, man, being very honest.
Oh, yeah,
Oh, shit. You okay? Hey. Put the gun down. Gun down. You okay? You got shot in the leg.
Rescue 1068.
HQ 2162. Hey, rescue 1068. 1020. 1020.
Welcome.
Go ahead. Sit down. Mike with a gunshot to his leg. He does have a pistol on, so we're going to take him out from that side.
Get out.
This one. Where's your pistol at on you?
On my side.
Okay. Just put your hands on the top of the vehicle for me. I appreciate it, man, being very
Oh,
honest.
you're all right.
Oh, shit. You okay? Put the gun down. Put the gun down. You okay? No. Hey, rescue 1068. Let's go. Rescue 1068. Hey, man, come here. Walk with me. Walk with me. Go ahead. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Hey, he's very compliant. He does have a pistol on him, so we're gonna take him out. Where's your pistol at?
On my side.
Okay. So put your hands on top of the vehicle for me. I appreciate it, man, being very honest.
Oh, you're all right.
Oh, shit. You okay? Put the gun down. Put it down. You okay? Nope. Yes, down. Thanks. Rescue 1068. Let's go. Rescue 1068. 1020. Welcome. Go ahead. Sit down. Tourniquet. I got it. You okay? Hey, Vinny, do me a favor. Just get Weippert, you good?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get this thing off.
Hang in there, brother. Rescue's coming. Rescue's coming. There you go. HQ 2162. 2162. Can you let rescue know that tourniquet's applied to his right leg?
I gotta crank it down on him, man. I gotta stop the bleeding.
Ah, shit.
I gotta crank it down, man. It's gotta stop
Hey,
the bleeding.
we got to do that, brother. Stop the bleeding, all right? Hang in there.
He hit my phone.
Your phone? Where's it at?
It's in the truck in the middle.
In the middle? All right, brother. Wiper, what you need?
I gotta cut his clothes off.
All right.
Get my shoes.
I cut my clothes off. Cut my bottom off. Can't you cut my bottom off?
Yeah, I gotta see where your hit broke.
Yeah, put my leg on the left.
You're pretty sure it's just there?
Yeah, that's all I heard.
Let me see. It's right there. Yeah, I got you, but I need to make sure the exit wound's not up here, or entry wound's not up here, okay? They're gonna cut your clothes off.
I know, 2162. I have 2163 and 2164.
You're good. Hey, you're fine. You're fine.
Oh, yeah.
2162.
So it's an ND.
It's going to be an ND.
Phone?
2162. We're 77. We're just working on it right now.
That stop still bleeding. The bleeding stopped.
I got your phone, brother.
No, I don't want that. Where's my really bandage?
Piper, what do you need?
Especially in this really bandage. I want to do compression bandage on that.
No.